Good evening, everybody. Oh my gosh, it has been a crazy journey. As the first Filipino to win Mr. Global, it has changed the trajectory of my life and my career. I have grown, not just as a model, but as a man, dedicated to inspire others, to inspire the next kings that will represent the Philippines on the international stage. Traveling, connecting with different cultures, and advocating for global unity has been truly an honor. To the fans, to my family, friends, to my management, thank you so much for believing in me. But now, it is not over. Let us continue to show our support to our future kings who will be competing for us on the international stage. So with that, thank you so much, and mabuhay Pilipinas!